I am Ash and I'll be showing you how to paint your floor tiles. Are your floor tiles looking a bit tired? I'll show you how to transform them without replacing it. With Dulux Renovation range, you can transform your bathroom by painting the floor and wall tiles without getting a professional tiler to come in. To paint your tiles, you'll need a paint stirrer, a roller, paint tray, paintbrush, gloves, cloth, masking tape, toothbrush, sanding block, sanding paper, sugar soap wipes, Mould Killer, and the Dulux Renovation range paint and primer. The first step is to make sure your tiles are squeaky clean before you start to prime. I'm going to use sugar soap wipes, but you could also use sugar soap concentrate, water and bucket. If you have any dirty bits, use a toothbrush and a scrubber to get rid of them. Take a 400 grit sandpaper and give your tiles a light sand. Then rinse the dust away before you start to prime. Pour the additive into the primer and stir for 2 to 5 minutes. Using a paintbrush and roller, apply the primer to the tiles. Take your painter's tape and tape along the edges where you don't want paint to go in. Add the additives into the paint and stir it for 2 to 5 minutes. I have gone with Tea House from the Dulux Renovation range, but you can choose any color you like. So my bathroom looks really beautiful now. It looks like I have new tiles, but all I've done is painted them. This was a fun and a very easy project and costed practically nothing compared to new tiles.